The Honda Accord is treated to an evolutionary redesign for the 2023 model year. It grows a bit in length, boosts its standard safety equipment roster, and doubles down on a hybrid powertrain. The redesigned Accord shares similar dimensions with the previous version, matching wheelbase, height, and width right down to the decimal point. But the overall length has grown by 2.8 inches. After decades of absence from North America, the Toyota Crown nameplate has returned to our shores. The 2023 Crown straddles the line between car and SUV, perhaps with the intent to broaden its appeal to shoppers outside the shrinking full-size sedan segment. All Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new Hybrid Max setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-litre four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The Accord's LX and X trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels through a CVT like previous generations of the Accord. The 2023 does not offer all-wheel drive. With the base powertrain, the Crown's acceleration is adequate and Toyota estimates it'll hit 60 miles per hour in a perfectly acceptable 7.6 seconds. The outgoing Accord had a good balance of performance and fuel economy from its 1.5-litre turbo engine, with a 7.7 second 0 to 60 miles per hour.